Welcome back. As you can see or hear from my intro video, I had a new full system exhaust for my 450MT. And yes, this was one of those cheap AliExpress exhausts. So why did I change to a full system exhaust? Mainly two reasons. First, I want to free up a little bit more power from this engine. The stock exhaust is always restricted for the compliance and the environmental reason. So having a full system exhaust will help the engine to breathe a little bit better. Secondly, I'm just a little bit curious about how the bike will sound with the full system exhaust. Don't get me wrong, the stock exhaust is perfectly fine. I love the stock exhaust sound from the beginning. But after riding the bike for a while now, I just want to escalate the sound a little bit better. Just trying out something different. But why buy from AliExpress? Honestly, the price. This full system exhaust is only a fraction of the cost of buying a full system exhaust from a big name brand. Just to give you a comparison, this exhaust cost me less than 400 Australian dollar, including shipping, and I got a chance to print my logo on the exhaust. You just can't beat that value. And to be fair, I had some good experience with inexpensive exhausts like this one, so I thought why not just give another try. The build quality out of the box wasn't bad at all. Weld was neat, the finish was decent, and it bought up without much fuss. For the money, it's just hard to beat. There's also a benefit of weight reduction as well. Although it not exactly was my goal, but the overall saving of 3 kg is a welcome change. The installation of the full system exhaust is pretty straightforward. First, I remove the stock can. It only holds by 2 bolts. This thing is surprisingly heavy. Next, I unbolt the mid pipe behind the full pack, then took off the skid plate. Removing the O2 sensors was a little tricky. The right side came out easily, but on the left side, there wasn't enough room to get it out. Eventually, I had to unplug the connector and remove the header with the sensor still attached. Finally, I loosened the bolt on the header and took out the entire exhaust. The header is numbered, so for anyone who is buying a similar thing, number 2 goes to the clutch side, number 1 goes to the throttle side. Installing the new system was much easier. I loosely fitted the bolts to hold everything in place, slide on the rear pad, and attach the spring. Once everything was aligned properly, I went back and tightened all the bolts. Alright, there it is. The bike is fully transformed. I got my full system exhaust installed, ECU tuned, ready to roll. Let's hear it. There are still 2 dB at the exhaust, so it's not super loud. But give a different note. Baby. And of course, when you change from the stock exhaust to a full system exhaust, you feel my ping will be off, the exhaust will breathe a little bit better. And how does the bike perform now? With the full system exhaust and ECU tuning, the bike feels stronger in the mid-range. Throttle response is a sniper, and the sound, well, it's definitely louder and deeper than the stock, but not obnoxious. It's got a nice throaty growl without being painful on a long ride. And honestly, the occasional pop during the deceleration was quite addictive to hear. So if you are looking for a budget-friendly way to experiment the sound and the performance of this bike, buying a cheap AliExpress exhaust might be a solid option. Buying a slip-on if you just want to change the sound, or buy the full system if you want to squeeze out that a bit more performance. Just don't skip on the ECU tune. That's the difference between make the bike louder than actually performs better. I've only done a quick road test on this exhaust, but I'll keep riding and report back on the durability and maybe the fuel economy after the installation. I'm also looking at change the bracket and getting the actual exhaust hanger, as I thought the current position is a bit too high and too much inward. But for now, I am really pleased with how much bang of the buck I get from this setup. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this type of the video, please like and subscribe the channel, or even hype the video. Leave a comment on what you want to say next, and I will see you on the next one.